Hi friends, this video is for all those viewers who have expressed confusion in selection of various cooking options in the Autocook menu in the LG charcoal microwave oven. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to select the various options from the Autocook menu. So let's see. So this is a LG microwave convection oven 28 liters model MJ2886BFUM, and this has got 271 auto cook menu options. So now let's see how to select these menu options from this control panel. So the 271 menu options are divided into 6 groups like this, and those are to be selected using these 6 buttons. I am using the term group here because some of these groups are divided into segments. For example, this button has 2 segments, diet fry and low calorie. Similarly, this button has 2 segments, ghee and Indian cuisine. And if you see, this button has pasteurized milk and tea dairy delight. And here again, kids delight, cooking aid, steam clean. Some of these are further divided into sub segments. So now let us go through the entire Autocook menu options, and I'll explain everything in detail. So firstly, the diet fry and the low calorie button. So if you press the button once, you go to diet fry. You press twice, it will go to low calorie, which again is divided into sub segments. Let me explain how. So first, DF1, 2. So when you want to select a recipe from diet fry, you have to rotate the dial. You can see that this is blinking. This means dial has to be rotated. I've explained about this in my first video of this charcoal convection oven. You can see that by clicking the link above. So from 1 to 25, you got 25 recipes in diet fry. Now if I press again, it will go to the low calorie options. The first segment is HP. HP means it is health plus. So in health plus, you have options from 1 to, again you have to use the dial for selecting the recipe. 1, 2, 3. 25 recipes in health plus. If you go further, the next segment is, the sub segment is soups, denoted by SO. So soups, you have got 1 to 18. After this, the third subsegment is CO for continental. In this, you have got 1 to 24 recipes. After this, if you turn the dial, it will go back to the first option, that is the health plus. So after this, you can see that you want to select any of these. You have to, the start is blinking, so you have to press the start button and follow instructions. I'm not going into this now. I'll go to the next button now. The next button is for charcoal. This has only one segment. If you press this, you get the option CH. You can see CH1, and again this dial blinking. So you can select the recipes, charcoal recipes, by turning the dial. It goes up to 25. So there are charcoal recipes from CH1 to CH25. You've got 25 recipes in charcoal. Once you turn again, it will go again to the beginning. So that's all about the charcoal. So the next option is Indian roti basket. So when you press this, you can see the symbol BR. Here BR means bread, Indian bread. So here, by turning the dial, I can select up to 25 bread options, that is 25 different types of roti options. So the next fourth button, it is, as you can see, it is showing ghee/Indian cuisine. That means there are two groups. So first is ghee. So first time if I press, it goes to GH1, which means ghee option, and there is only one recipe in this. This is for this is used for making ghee. Now I press once more, it goes to IC. So IC is for Indian cuisine. So in this you have got, so here you can see the dial blinking and the start button blinking. So I have to use the dial. So once I turn the dial, it goes from 1 to 26. So there are in all 26 recipes in Indian cuisine. So whichever recipe you want, you select that and press start. So next, there is one more subsegment in this, and that is SC, that is sweet corner. In this you have got So again you have to keep rotating the dial for that, for the further recipes. So it goes from SC1 to SC15. So there are now 15 recipes in sweet corner. This is for making sweets. So again select whichever option you want and then press start. The third segment, sub-segment is RD. RD means Rice Delight, which means rice dishes. So here again it starts from RD1 and it goes up to RD15. There are 15 recipes in Rice Delight. And finally, you have CC, which means Chatpat Corner. So the recipes are from CC1 to CC10. So here again, if you want any of these recipes, select that and then press start. So whenever you see multiple options in the button, you have to, so for the main option, you have to press the button and then turn the dial. If there are sub segments, go on turning the dial and you will get the desired menu option. You have to select that and press start. So now coming to the third row of these two buttons, the first one is pasteurized milk and the tea dairy delight options. So here pasteurized milk is a first segment and tea dairy delight is a second segment. By pressing 1, it goes to PS1, which is pasteurizing milk. That is the first option. By pressing twice, it goes to DD. Here DD is dairy delight recipes. So you turn the knob for selecting the DD recipes, DD 1 to 5. Turn further, you get the PA option, PA1, which is for making paneer, and finally CU1 and CU2 for the two curd options. So this tea dairy delight is divided into three sub segments, that is the curd, paneer and the dairy delight. So the last button is kids delight and cooking aid steam clean. So when you press once, you get the kids delight, which has got CF, that is child's favorite, and the bakery sub segment. So let us see. So you get child's favorite, 25 recipes for child's favorite, CF1 to CF25, and you rotate further, you get BA1 to BA15. This is the baking recipes. So if you want to select this cooking aid or the steam clean option, you have to press the button twice. Here UC means utility corner. So the two sub segments are the utility corner and the steam clean. So UC has got 1 to 12. There are 12 options. Here it means it is some aid before cooking. It's not a recipe, but some cooking aid options. And rotate once, it goes to SL1. There is only one option here. This is the steam clean option, which is for cleaning the inside. So I hope that my explanation has cleared all your doubts and now you find that selection process is not that difficult. I have shown it in my model of LG charcoal microwave oven. I'm sure the subsequent models which have come after this model, this is 3 years old. So in the last 3 years, there might have been more charcoal models and they will be having more recipes. But the procedure for selection of cooking options will be the same, I suppose. So I think it should not be difficult for you, whatever the model of your microwave oven. Hope you liked watching this video and you find the content helpful. Share your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Bhuvana.